Hi everybody. Today I'm reviewing this two-tier dish drying rack. I needed a solution to go beside my sink for overflow and fine dishes that I don't like to put in the dishwasher, and I finally found it. I've put it together just to save a bit of time on the video, but it comes with really good directions on how to put it together and the different parts of it that you can use. It's made of stainless steel that's been coated in a resistant coating. It'll never go rusty, especially if you live near the sea like we do. It comes in different sections that can go into the dishwasher. That's the cutlery tray, and yeah, you can totally take that off. I love the bottom tray. It's a clever design. It's angled down so that when things drip, water drips down, it goes into this tube at the bottom, and you angle the little chute into the sink, whichever, it can angle whichever way your sink is when you're doing it. Again, that can go into the dishwasher. It also came with a bonus, a silicone drying mat that you could put knives on or things at the side. You can also use this in various ways. If you took the top rack off, you could set that right in the sink, or you could use it in your cupboard. Multi-purpose, lots of things you can do with it. You have your cutlery tray. This is the cup holder. It can go different places too. It comes right off. I think I'd put on the bottom. Plates at the top. This rack is totally movable. You can move it together or apart, or you could just take it off totally. It's got a board holder that could go anywhere, here or there. This is a really sturdy piece of equipment. I would not be worried about putting heavy things in it. Very, very sturdy. I've given the link below. I got this at Amazon. Very good price, very good quick delivery, and I would highly recommend this drying rack. Thanks for watching.